Welcome to your dream beach retreat with views of Clam Bay. This captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers the perfect combination of coastal living and modern comfort. Nestled just a short walk away from the beach, this property presents an incredible opportunity to indulge in the sun, sand, and surf every day. As you enter the residence, you will be greeted by an inviting atmosphere and an abundance of natural light flowing through large windows. This home offers new A/C22, HW23, dock and lift motors 22, fence 22, Paver Driveway 21 and so much more. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, ample storage space, and a convenient breakfast bar, making it a delightful space for culinary adventures. The 3 bedrooms offer comfortable retreats for everyone. The primary bedroom boasts bay views and a spacious ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower and separate soaking tub. 2 additional bedrooms share a beautifully renovated bathroom with modern finishes. Stepping outside, you will discover a spacious lanai, perfect for enjoying the beautiful coastal climate. For those seeking adventure on the water, the property includes both a boat lift and 2 jet ski lifts offering convenient access to explore the nearby waters and engage in thrilling aquatic activities. The oversized fenced yard is perfect for your furry loved ones to enjoy. One of the main highlights of this home is its proximity to the beach. Just a short walk, you'll find yourself immersed in the beauty of sandy shores, crashing waves, and breathtaking sunsets. The beach provides endless opportunities for leisurely walks, picnics, water activities, or simply unwinding while listening to the soothing sounds of the waves. Additionally, the home's location offers convenient access